Let's go make this thing fly. Uh-oh. What's up, guys? I know y'all been asking me for some 6S Typhon activities. Shout out to Tygo Colin. He keeps asking on every video for us to finally get the Typhon out here running. But unfortunately, look here, guys. I bought it used as a roller. So what we're gonna have to do here is rip this system out of my Italian to put into here. Then we'll have a working Typhon. So let's get on that. Boys, I'm super excited to finally be able to bring you my Typhon TLR. I've had this car for like 4 months, but I just have not put it back together. I got it from my buddy Bradley. So you've seen this car on the channel before. This is the one that he knocked himself out with. Oh! Are you good, bro?
I tried to duck under.
Are you good, bro? Every time we come out here. Hold on, take a break, take a break. Are you good?
I'm all right.
But I finally got a system in here. We're gonna be GPSing it right now. And I think I'm on a 16-tooth pinion. It's the same motor I had in my Italian. So the Italian actually got an upgrade. You'll see that video later. This thing is gonna be amazing for us. We're gonna go test it right now. Then we're gonna get to jumping it. Stay tuned for that. Let's see how fast this baby girl is. What do y'all think? I think it's gonna do 70. Okay, we got the old GoPro on the head mount here. We're gonna come out here and test the Typhon. So we have started the test. So let's go see how fast this thing will do. I think 70. Maybe not. I need to gear it up. It's got more in the tank for sure. Oh my God, I looked away and it took off. Dadgummit. Alrighty, we found it. Somebody was coming up the road. I looked away, hit the trigger. Let's test it. Get a good one of it coming back here. Full throttle, full throttle, full throttle. This definitely has a lot left in the tank. It's so smooth, and it does wheelies sitting on the Badlands. We'll go ahead and head back to the truck and see exactly how fast it went. All right, here we go. Stop, read, 55. That looked super fast for 55. We'll have to gear that up, I guess, and go try it out again. I thought that was doing every bit of 70, guys. What y'all think? That's so weird. Okay, guys, I don't really trust this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and run it again. I think it definitely should have been faster. We're gonna do it without the body. Not that the body really causes any resistance, but maybe it only is 55. It kind of sounds like it's about the same speed as the Slash. Full throttle. That just seems way faster than 55. All right. Take your guesses now. I'm thinking it's not gonna go any faster than 55, but stop, read. 54, yeah. With the body is even slower. Okay, well, we're gonna have to gear this thing up and hit 100 eventually, but let's go bash it. All right, guys, so you saw the Typhon do its speed run. Time to go launch it out here in the sand. Running on the Badland tires that came with it when I bought it from my buddy Bradley. Go launch this sucker. The throttle is so touchy, I love it. So rowdy. So light for what it is. Avoid the flags. Power wheelie. Typhon just wheelies like nothing, no problem. I think my punch might be turned all the way up from the Italian, so let's go try this out. All right, here we go. We definitely know she's a flyer and rowdy. She's digging. Look at that. Let's go make this thing fly. Running on the China Hobbies battery. Let's see just how far we can make it fly. I would say pretty far. Oh my God, she's rowdy. That's just off a natural sand jump. See if we can get some more speed from back here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're in the trees. We're upside down. Across the yard. Full pin. I cannot imagine if I geared this thing up. Ooh, watch out for the sandstorm. All right, let's try to hit this little jump over here now. Not bad, not bad. He's even wheeling out here in the sand. Uh-oh. One more good one, then we're going to the canyon. That was a booter. Let's go to the canyon now. This thing is rowdy, man. God. This motor's gonna be on fire, so I'm just like staying on the trigger the whole time. All right, here we go. Let's try our famous step up. Well, that did a little hop hop, hip hop. What are y'all thinking so far? You liking the Typhon? This thing is pretty awesome on the stock system, you know? I couldn't imagine if you put a bigger system in this thing. I'm trying to cut corners too quick with it because the steering's so good for this little car. Let's try the path here. Ooh! This thing is rowdy. I don't know why it took so long to putting this thing together. Woohoo! Oh, I think the battery came out. If the battery just came out, that was wild. I can't believe I landed a front flip on that thing.
Oh yeah, there's a culprit, bud. There's a culprit that done came undone, bud.
Alrighty, back to ripping. Whee! Let's see if we hit a tree or hit ourselves. That was a nice little hopper. Not a lot of air. Woohoo! I'm testing it. There's some natural jumps, man. That's what we live for. Big naturals. Go to a natural place. Big naturals. I know y'all like the wooden ramps, but I just like natural. Big naturals. This thing is nasty. Let's go to one more jump that we haven't been to in a while, guys. I'll see you all over there. Let's go inspect this old jump that we used to hit all the time. It's looking pretty grown up here, buds. Pretty grown up here. Doesn't mean we're not gonna hit it. There she blows right there. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh, that landed right on the side. That landed right on the side. Are we good? Nope, shock. Did it just pop out? Oh no, we did break the shock bottom. Ah, that landed right on the side. Screw it, run it again. Woohoo! Run it again, run it again. The shock is flopping around. It's just all flopping around. This thing is nasty, guys. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Uh-oh. Did I blow a tire on that one? Nah. Cool. Dang, this was fun. It's still running and will get me home. I don't want it to do that. So let me try it one more time. Kind of missed it. Oh, what done happened over here? We hit little bushes, but it sounded like heart bushes. Shout out to Big Naturals. Ah, battery came out. Well.
All right, guys, at the further inspection, I done broke it. My battery holder here, it done broke it off. So we have no holds. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and drive that one home. But this thing is amazing. I'm still gonna drive it back home. So like a Traxxas and like a Dodge, it'll get yourself back to the truck, boys. Let's go. Look at this. I can't resist. I can't resist it. I gotta hit one more jump here. Even though it's broken it and the battery gonna go flying.
Oh yeah, we lost rears.
We lost the rear now. Dig, boys, dig. All right. Woo, guys, I love this Typhon. Shout out to my homie that's kept commenting, when are we gonna see some Typhon vids? Well, here you go. You'll be seeing some shorts very soon, and you'll be seeing a long video at this. Thank you.
No right to.
Look at that, look. Oh.